So, good afternoon po, sir. Dito po sa aking final video, let us discuss po dun sa mga pinadagdag niyo po sa aking code. So, bale, ang main function nga po nitong aking system is just that it display the main menu, and then it handles the user input and processes their choices, and then it manage the stock updates, reservation and payments, and also the receipt, and then it exit gracefully after saving stock and collecting the feedback. And dito po sa ating function sa ating CSB, this is function load stock. Dito po this function po reads the stock data from our CSV file, and if the file doesn't exist, it initializes the stock with the default values and creates the file. While dito naman po sa ating save stock, dito po it reads the stock data po para sa ating room, package, and food availability dun po sa ating CSV file. And then dun po pala yun sa load stock. Dito po sa save stock, it nira-writes niya po yung mga current stock data po back to our CSV file and ensure the update persists. And then let's try. Dito po bubungad ka po yung welcome message niya, and then let us first reserve form, then enter your name, and then the phone number, then the address, then the number of adults 12, number of kids at 5, the date, time, and then do you want to continue browsing my menu? Yes. Then try po natin mag-reserve ng sa room 2. And then sa standard room po natin, which is we have 3 stock. For example, 3 po yung ating number 1 po pipili natin, which is the standard. Then the quantity or ilan is 3. And then magpiprint po siya kung gusto po natin mag-choice and no. Then proceed to our payment. And then yan. So, kumbaga magpiprint na po yung receipt niya. And then, tatanong po siya kung meron pang another guess. For example, yes. And then, before po tayo mag-proceed, and hihingi niya po muna yung ating feedback. So, rate your experience. And then, ngayon po, for example, pipili po tayo. Again, sa number 2, rooms. And kanina po, pinili po natin yung sa standard. Piliin ulit natin. And enter po tayo kung ilan. For example, 1. Mapiprint po siya na this item is reserved by another guest. Kumbaga, alam po niya na wala na pong stock or available pa na slot para po dun sa ating room number 1. And then, pipili na lang po tayo ng iba pang merong stock. For example, na number 2. Yan. And then, try po tayo maglagay ng quantity 1. And then, no. And babayad na po tayo. Yan. So, when we say, is there another guest? No. And regular experience. And the program will exit na po doon para doon. And then ito po sa stock, since yung room nga po na number 3 as nireserve natin 3 items, nagiging 0 na po siya. And then dito po sa ating test project, so let us run. Yan, so like pytest project.py. So, namabas po na the 5 pass yung ating pong pinag-test po dito. Yan. We test the calculate total, the update stock, and also the test get price and name.